Good afternoon, this is Micah with Affordable Mobility Solutions. Our website is mobility316.com. Today I'm going to show you our 2019 Dodge Grand Caravan SE. This unit has only 95 miles on it. It does fall under the specs of the manufacturer's warranty of 3-year, 36,000 mile. This is a rear entry ATS conversion. It's a brand new conversion with a 3-year warranty on it as well. So your van and your conversion should be covered. We're going to get right into the conversion part of the van. Like I said, it is a rear entry. Open our hatch. This is our ramp. On each side of the ramp, it's got a hinge here. What I like about this ATS conversion, it's one solid ramp. It's not a multi-fold. I'm going to take one hand, flip it. It's a spring-assisted ramp. I'm going to grab it with one hand. Easily down to the floor, or ground, excuse me. Now this is ADA compliant. It is a 34-inch ramp, or excuse me, 34-inch wide ramp with a 94-inch deep cut, 56 entry, and interior is 58 inches tall. It's got the 2 seats in the back. They do fold down. Come up here to the front. It's got the dual climate control, so your driver can be one temperature, your passenger can be another, and of course you got your rear controls, which makes it very nice during the summer. And then back here, your backseat passenger can control the temperatures as well. I'm going to back out. That headliner is like new condition, as it should be for a van that only has 95 miles on it. Very easy material to keep clean. You can sweep it out, you can wipe it out. Alright, we're going to close it up. Again, I'm going to use one of the handles on the side. Each side does have a handle. I'm going to grab it 2 fingers here. Spring assisted. You can lift a half gallon of milk off the ground. You can operate one of these manual ramps. They're very easy. Closed. Alright, we're going to do a walk around of the van. This is where a van with 95 miles makes my job easy. There is not a lot of defects to point out. The objective of my video here is for our out-of-state customers that can't come and put their hands on the van. We want to show you this video so you know exactly what you're going to get. We don't like surprises. Tires are like new condition as well. I'm not seeing a door ding, not a scratch. There's not even any rash on the bumper from coming out of driveways. This is considered a used van, but it with 95 miles, it's about as new as a used van can be, I guess. All matching Yokohama tires on it. Take a look at the interior. It's got the dual sliding doors. Again, it's got 2 seats in the back. And of course you got your alleyway. It's got the power windows, power locks, power mirrors. And these are heated mirrors. And this SE does have the steering wheel controls, which if you're using this van commercially, that is great to have. Keeps your driver's eyes on the road. We're going to start the van up, let you see that all the lights do work. And of course that all the lights go out. Van has 96 miles now. I lied, I said 95. Adjust the radio. Air conditioner blows great. And I don't know if you can hear it, but the rear AC works fine. This does have the dual storage compartments up front here. It's got the manual with it. Test the windows. And what's nice about these vans nowadays is actually got rear windows that slide down. Everything works on it like it should. Test the mirror. Again, 96 miles. Let's take a look under the hood. Alright, it's got a 3.6 liter V6 in it. AC compressor is running. You don't hear any squealing, no ticks, no rattles, no leaks, not a drop of oil. Under the van, just as important, even with 95 miles, you can buy a van full of rust, and this thing has none. If you are going to buy a van sight unseen, make sure that your seller is taking a video much like this one, and make sure that you are adamant that they crawl under there and show you the undercarriage. If you go out there and you buy a van that's full of rust, you've just bought a paperweight, a very expensive paperweight. There's no tears, no rips in the upholstery, no odors. I am a non-smoker. I would smell any sign of smoke. Alright, let's take this on the test drive. Okay, here we are in the test drive portion of the video. What we like to do here is we like to get the vehicle up to highway speeds or 70 miles an hour, and then we're going to kick it down to 65. It is a 60-mile-an-hour zone. What we do is we want you to hear the transmission shift, the engine run. I'm going to, again, if I didn't get a shot of the backup camera, there it is. We'll put it in drive, and we're off. Our cruise control. Van runs, drives as it should. Drives like a brand new van would. What I'd like to point out at this point in the video is the noise that you are not hearing from the ATS conversion, the brand new rear entry conversion that we had put into this van. Not having a multi-fold ramp back there keeps the rattling down. So if you have passengers or you are a family, you can actually hold a conversation in a van with this type of conversion. Again, this van does fall under manufacturer specs for the Dodge manufacturer's warranty of 3-year, 36,000 mile bumper to bumper. The brand new conversion, the brand new ATS conversion, also has a separate warranty for 3 years, unlimited mileage. So your van and your conversion is covered. Hard brake, no movement in the steering wheel. No shimmying, no shaking. Exactly what you expect from a 2019 van with under 100 miles. And know you can't feel it, but this air conditioner is working great on this cloudy day. So again, 2019 Dodge Grand Caravan SE with the backup camera, power windows, power mirrors, heated powered mirrors, brand new ATS conversion, manual ramp. It is ADA compliant. If you're looking for a van to have commercially, this is a great van. It's very, very low mileage. Again, falls under the specs of the manufacturer's 3-year, 36,000 mile bumper to bumper warranty. Your conversion is covered under a warranty. We are Affordable Mobility Solutions. Our website is always mobility316.com. That's mobility316.com. I want to remind folks that we have over 450 positive ratings reviews on eBay. Not a single negative comment in 8 years of business. Not a single negative. We have 100% satisfaction with the Better Business Bureau. If you're looking for side entry, rear entry, manual or electric, please check us out at mobility316.com. Thank you very much.